You know that the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana was launched a few months ago. In fact, it ends on the 31st of March. And this basically pertained to the cash deposits which were deposited by various persons during the demonetization scheme. And the Pradhan Mantri launched a project to be monitored by income tax, where he expected those people who had unaccounted income or unaccounted deposits that were made in various banks to come forward with the declaration. Before that, he had already launched and we had implemented another scheme called the income disclosure scheme, which was a voluntary kind of a disclosure for people who had not declared their income for the last few years. This was a little more stringent scheme because having launched and given an opportunity to all the citizens of the country to come forward under the IDS, we found that there were large cash deposits which were apparent that they were not accounted for, and hence another opportunity was given to these people to come forward to declare the cash as their unaccounted income, and the taxes paid or to be paid on this particular declaration were high. So if somebody comes forward now to declare the unaccounted income, it's 49.9%. If we find it during the assessment proceedings and man confesses, it's a little higher rate. If he doesn't, it's higher. If he confesses during a search, it's much higher. And if he doesn't even declare it during the search, it goes up to 137% plus prosecution, plus penalty, plus everything else.
नोटबंदीच्या काळात सुरू केलेली प्रधानमंत्री गरीब कल्याण योजना आणि इन्कम टॅक्स डिक्लेरेशन योजनेखाला अजून येणावळ जाहीर करूक खंय चान्स आसा?
We have picked out only the top cases now, given the time constraint, given our manpower constraints, and we have sent out letters to those people asking them to explain. But the response that we have got shows that either the people are not aware of the consequences of the scheme or they don't care. The people are being given a chance to come forward and declare voluntarily. If they don't, the information is already in the possession of the department. We will go after them, whether it's before March, after March, April, May, June, July, the information stays. The consequences would be much harsher. The tax that they will be liable to pay would be much harsher. Yes, after 31st March, there will be no voluntary acceptance. Then it is going to be a very, very strict penal action.
प्रुडंटा खातीर तुकाराम मराठे.